Welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I have brought any updates regarding faculty recruitment in different engineering colleges, universities. So the first college where the vacancy there is in JB Group of Educational Institution. This is in Moinabad, RR district, Hyderabad. It is under this group there are different colleges like JB Institute of Engineering and Technology, Joginpalli BR Engineering College, Bhaskar Engineering College, Bhaskar Pharmacy College, Joginpalli BR Pharmacy College. So for all these colleges they have walk-in interview on 26th and 27th September 2021 from 10 am to 3 pm. Faculty position in different branches like ECE, Electrical Electronics, Computer Science, Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, IT, Mechanical, Civil, ECM, Mining, Science and Humanities, MBA, Pharmacy. Qualification, eligibility and salary as per AICTE and PCI norms. Retired professional below 65 years can also apply. So eligible candidate can attend the interview, walk-in interview along with CVs, copies of all testimonial, PAN card, Aadhaar card, photo and relevant letters at college venue. For more information you can contact, they have given the contact number also. Next college is Pyad Group of Institution. They wanted faculty for BTech. In BTech they have requirement for agriculture, civil, computer science, ECE, electrical, electronics and mechanical. Qualification required MTech and PhD. Then faculty in mathematics, physics, English and MBA required. Qualification for that is MSc, MA or MBA. In agriculture, horticulture, fisheries, food technology also they have vacancy. Qualification required for that BSc, MSc, MFSc. In agriculture, horticulture, fisheries, food technology, then MSc in geology, botany and chemistry can also apply. They also have lab assistant for vacancy for lab assistant for all subjects. Then non-teaching post, placement officer, soft skill trainer and senior office assistant. So interested people can send their resume to Prince in Princeg at the rate of pyada.edu.in or principal.agri at the rate of pyada.edu.in or careers at the rate of pyada.edu.in on or before 28th September 2021. Next college is QIS Group of Educational Institution. Wanted faculty for two college, one for engineering and another one for pharmacy. In engineering they have vacancies for computer science, civil, ECE, English, mathematics, physics, chemistry, environmental science and biology. And for pharmacy they have a requirement for pharmaceutical chemistry, pharmaceutical analysis and pharmacognosy. Some programmer vacancy also there. For that MCA or BTech in computer science if you have, then you can apply. Then web designer, data entry operator, library assistant. Interview will be on September 25 from 9 am to 5 pm for QIS College of Engineering and Technology. It is in Angol, Andhra Pradesh. And for pharmacy they have interview on 26th from 9 am to 5 pm, Hotel DB Manor, MG Road, Vijayawada, AP. Professor and associate professor also have required. For that PhD in computer science will be if you have qualification then you can apply. Candidate can mail their resume within 10 days. Means for assistant professor you have to go for a walk-in interview, and for professor and associate professor you have to send your resume within 10 days along with supporting document of qualification and experience to human resources at the rate of QISCET.edu.in, for whom separate interview will be conducted on intimation. Means you will be intimated through phone call or mail. Next is Sri Datta Institute of Engineering and Technology. Sri Datta Group of Institution, Integrated Campus. They have walk-in interview for professor, associate professor, assistant professor and admin from 10 am to 5 pm. On 25 September for electrical electronics CC and MBA. On 26th CSE Math, English, Physics and Chemistry, and on 27th for Civil and Mechanical. And on 27 also they have a walk-in interview for office manager with academic experience, senior accountant with knowledge of preparing balance sheet and tax return filing, system administrator, office assistant with DTP skills, librarian, hostel warden for boys. So interested candidates should appear for a written test followed by lecture, demo and personal interview along with original degree, certificate of qualification, experience and living order, Aadhaar and PAN card, recent passport photograph, and 1 year of bank statement for salary proof. You can take these all things with you during interview. Please feel free to contact on above mentioned email ID. They have given email ID. You can contact on them. Next is Samskruti College of Engineering and Technology and Pharmacy. They have faculty requirement for both engineering and pharmacy. For engineering, they have requirement for professor, associate professor, and assistant professor in CSE Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, CSE in Data Science, ECE Mechanical, Civil, MBA, Physics, Chemistry, English. And for pharmacy, they have requirement for pharmaceutics, pharmacology, pharmacy chemistry, pharmacognosy and pharmaceutical analysis, regulatory affair, pharmacy practice, pharma D, lab technician. For mechanical, civil, electrical, electronics, ECE, CSE and pharmacy. Means lab technician required for these all branches and pharmacy, and faculty requirement for above specialization. So interested candidate can send their resume through mail latest by 26 September 2021. For engineering, they have given email ID info@samskruti.ac.in, and for pharmacy recruitment.y7@gmail.com. Next is TJS Engineering College. This college in Tiruvallur in Chennai, means affiliated with Anna University Chennai. They have invited application for professor, associate professor and assistant professor in computer science engineering. Qualification required for that ME, MTech or PhD. So application along with relevant document must reach this office in soft copy or hard copy on or before 27 September 2021. They have given email ID and also address. You can either send your hard copy on this address, and also you can send your resume on this email ID. So that's all about today's update. So share it with your friends who is in the need of job. Subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now. Comment if you want some questions or etc. Thank you. Have a nice day.